I wanted to eradicate poverty. I wanted to give education. I wanted to give employment with my youth. I wanted to give better health for my citizens. Why? Because I have met accident at the age of 11 years, major accident. My parents have taken me into Usmania Hospital in Hyderabad while I was living in remote village. That time government has, Nizam has started that Usmania Hospital. That is how they treated. Today, people are facing lot of problems. Well, we have got freedom. That time lifespan was 32 years. In 1947, Indian average lifespan was 32 years. Today we have reached 73 years. That is how Jawaharlal Nehru has given a vision to this country. Now we are going to touch 100 years to live our lifespan. For that, have to make policies, have to make sure, have to deliver to poorest of the poor, remote villages, Tandas, Gudam, or any other remote place in Telangana. आनंद जी, मैं एक किसान का लड़का हूं, किसान परिवार से आया मैं। मुझे गरीब, कुछ लोगों के लिए, कुछ नेता लोगों के लिए गरीबी एक एक्सकर्शन है। गरीबी देखना है तो हैदराबाद से मर्सिडीज बेंज में छोटे गांव में देखे गरीब लोग कैसे रहते हैं, उन लोग देखने के लिए कोशिश करते। मगर मेरे लिए गरीबी ऐसा नहीं है। जहां पर गरीब लोग रहते, जहां पर जाति विवक्षा है, लोगों को अनटचेबिलिटी है, मंदिर में जिसको नहीं आने देता है, उस ऐसे छोटे गांव से मैं आया। हर चीज मुझे पता है, गरीब कैसे सोचते, एजुकेटेड अनएम्प्लॉयड यूथ क्या चाहता है, सब कुछ मुझे पता है। क्योंकि आई हैव स्टडीड इन गवर्नमेंट स्कूल, आई हैव नॉट स्टडीड इन कॉर्पोरेट स्कूल, आई हैव नॉट स्टडीड इन इंग्लिश मीडियम, आई हैव स्टडीड इन गवर्नमेंट स्कूल, आई हैव स्टडीड इन तेलुगु मीडियम. I know each and every problem in my remote villages, where Adivasis, where Dalits are living, where minorities are there. I have personal connectivity with these Dalits, Adivasis, and minorities. That is why I have planned for them. I have got this opportunity with young age. I don't have any political legacy. एक छोटा किसान परिवार से, एक छोटे गांव से मैं इतना दूर आ गया। 2006 में मैं एक जिला परिषद मेंबर बना एज ए इंडिपेंडेंट. Politically, it's the smallest of the small post. After that, I've become an MLC. After that, I've become an MLA. After that, I've become an MP. After that, I've become a party president. After 17 years, I have become a chief minister of Telangana. I have responsibility. I have accountability. I have my commitment. I have to do justice for poorest of the poor. This is what my commitment. This is what my document, my policy document. This is what my agreement with my people.